Scrambled eggs and fish on the plate like my brain scrambled and my bitch lick my taint like beef cooking on the plate. Now wait, that's a pan like panda Phoebe and the blender making it shake like old man lumpy and he's standing on the ground. Old man and wagging his tail like he just found out about the cougar with a prolific sniffer. Horrible secrets in my ear he does whisper.
Wait, what the fuck? Where did old Lumpy go? The fuck, Arthur? Did you see him, bro?
Where the fuck could the lump have disappeared to? Feel entices me and my worries disappear too.
Yo, little kitty, get away. Get the fuck away, like.
Hey! Can't believe that you're touching my tray. I can't believe that you won't do what I say. Oh my god, the size of this goat.
Oh my god, the size of this goat.
Oh my god, the size of this goat.
Phoebe, look at the size of this goat. Oh my god, look at his coat.
Oh my god, look at his coat.
Oh my god, look at his coat.
Phoebe, please come look at his coat. Why a black dog keeps the order around here? Without you, sir, all the animals live in fear. Fear of murder lurking around the corner. Vertical filming, I'm a death row mourner. Everybody knows every farm needs an emu. Modern day raptor Eli the emu. Eli's animosity permeates me through the cage. Pisses my pants despite my high age.
Oh my god. She's so large. Oh.